Record.
Okay, so here in this homework, we're going to go over how to evaluate functions. And number one, it is f minus g of x, which notationally equals f of x minus g of x. So f of x is x squared minus 4x plus 5, and then minus g of x, which is 2x squared minus 7x plus 3. Which equals x squared minus 4x plus 5 minus 2x squared plus 7x minus 3. X squared and negative 2x squared is negative x squared. Negative 4x and 7x is positive 3x. And then 5 minus 3 is positive 2. And B, this is going to mean to do f at 2 plus g at 2. So f at 2 equals 2 squared minus 4 times 2 plus 5. That's going to be 4 minus 8 plus 5, which is negative 4 plus 5, which is 1. And g at 2, I'm trying to save some space here, is 2 times 2 squared minus 7 times 2 plus 3. 2 squared is 4 times 2 is 8 minus 14 plus 3. That's negative 6 plus 3 is negative 3. And then I'm to add these results. So 1 plus a negative 3 is 2. Here I'm going to start on the inside. So g at 1 equals 2 times 1 squared minus 7 times 1 plus 3. So 2 minus 7 plus 3. Negative 5 plus 3 is negative 2. But then I have to put negative 2 into f. So negative 2 squared minus 4 times negative 2 plus 5. Negative 2 squared is 4 plus 8 plus 5 is 17. Here I'm going to do f at negative 2. F at negative 2 is negative 2 squared minus 4 times negative 2 plus 5. 4 plus 8 plus 5 is going to give me 17. So a little bigger of an output because this output is this function's input. And it's going to be 2 times 17 squared minus 7 times 17 plus 3. And that one there, you can use a calculator to calculate with. And number 2, I have to do this part first. So it's going to be 3 times 3 plus h squared minus 4 times 3 plus h plus 2. I'm going to square this and get 9. Multiply and double, 6h plus h squared. I'm going to distribute now and get 27 plus 18h plus 3h squared minus 12 minus 4h plus 2. I can't forget about this piece, minus f of x. So this is going to be minus this function, which means minus 3x squared plus 4x minus 2. What I have to do there is replace the minus, well, it's right here, minus f of x, right here. All of that. And really not much simplifies, so you can leave it as such. But again, just to go through that, it's f of 3 plus h, put this into f, and that gave me all of this piece up here. I wanted it to work out a certain way and it didn't, but that's all right. And then minus f of x, which is this function, but you have to distribute the minus sign through, which would be then minus 3x squared plus 4x minus 2. And number 3, I'm going to find the equation of the line whose slope is negative 3 and passing to the point negative 1, 4. So it's going to be y minus 4 over x plus 1 equals negative 3, and cross multiply. And then I'm just going to distribute, add the 4, and get 1. In number 4, I need to first find the slope. So the slope is the change in y's over the change in x's. So the slope is 4 minus 8, change in the y's over the change in the x's. So this is going to be negative 4 over negative 12, which equals 1/3. And now my setup of the line would be y minus 4 over x minus a negative 5 is x plus 5, which equals 1/3. Cross multiply, so it'd be 3 times y minus 4 equals x plus 5. Distribute, 3 minus 12 equals x plus 5. Add the 12, get 17. Divide by 3. Factor completely. We're going to take out an x, and what's left is x cubed minus 8. So we're going to take this, and this is going to go down further as a difference of 2 cubes. Take the cube roots of both, square that, multiply those, but change the sign, and square the last. Here, I'm going to take out an x, which is 5x squared, plus 8x minus 4. I'm going to try my pull-down method here of those factors. I'm going to try 2 and 2, plus and minus. So this will give me 10x minus 2x, which will give me the positive 8x. But my answer will be written as x times 5x minus 2 times x plus 2. Okay, so everything worked out to be the way I wanted it to be, except I have to say is number 2. I really wanted that to work out a different way. So as some practice here, just to reinforce that, number 2 is if f of x equals, say, 3x squared minus 4x plus 2, evaluate f at 2 plus h. So I'm going to replace the x with 2 plus h. If I square this by sight, square the 2, get 4, multiply those, which is 2h, but double it is 4h plus h squared. And now I'll distribute and get 12 plus 12h plus 3h squared minus 8 minus 4h plus 2. I'm going to combine like terms. I'll start with this h squared, and this make 8h, and this makes 4 plus 2, which is, I believe, 6. Okay, and that there shows the solutions to assignment number 3. Remember that the point of this whole assignment was that we know the algebra of functions. That, for example, f times g at 2 means f at 2 times g at 2. That g plus h at 3 equals g at 3 plus h at 3. And that f circled g at 2 means f at g at 2. Where we have to start on the inside. Evaluate g at 2, and then get that answer and put it into f. And another takeaway was how to square a binomial by sight. So if we had this, the answer is not 81 plus h squared. It would be 9 squared is 81, multiply and double, square the last. And that concludes the solutions to homework number 3.